This is gonna be a raspberry hibiscus margarita. We're gonna use 2 ounces of Lalo Tequila, ½ ounce of Grand Marnier, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of the raspberry hibiscus syrup.
I like that.
So let's get to it. We're gonna start off with 2 ounces of our Lalo Tequila.
Nice.
Now we're gonna do ½ ounce of Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier is what I normally put in my margaritas because I generally will drink a Cadillac margarita, and I like to add Grand Marnier as my Cadillac.
Yep.
To make it the Cadillac.
Yeah.
So we're just starting as a Cadillac. I'm
Yeah.
just saying. So you're like the Cadillac of Cadillacs is what you're saying.
You set the bar.
Exactly.
Okay, we're doing 2 ounces of the fresh lime juice. I'm gonna give this a sniff.
Yeah.
That's the raspberry hibiscus.
Oh, that's nice.
They complement each other so well.
Really, really, really nice. They do actually. Wow. Really, really well.
So I'm just gonna do a half rim.
Mm.
Okay.
This looks so good. Oh, the color. I mean, come on. Let's see.
That smell. Oh.
Wow. Oh my God, that is so good. You get the raspberry and just like the hand of the hibiscus. That is like, this is fantastic. I could drink this all summer.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I love how tart the raspberry is, but then I made it with the agave, so then it's sweet. Then you get that little floral on the back end. Yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, that is a perfect, perfect margarita. You know, especially those who like a regular margarita, because for me, I love a classic margarita because of the tartness of the lime. I generally don't go for like a strawberry margarita because I don't want the sweetness of it. I want the tartness of a margarita. I think it blends really well with tequila. It's just one of those things. Boom. The raspberry really, really goes well with it. But again, yeah, that little extra whip, the hibiscus there, wow. That is great. Excellent. Thank you. I love this. Yep. Yeah, I'm finishing this.